Have you seen cats on the street? Cats are animals that we often see around us. Which animals do you think are the most common pets? Yes, dogs and cats. Cats and dogs are the most familiar animals to us. This is a tiger. Doesn't it look like a cat? The tiger is a relative of the cat. Actually, both are members of the cat family. Who else is a relative of the cat? This is a leopard with cool-looking spots. A leopard is also a relative of the cat, just like the tiger. Cats are good at climbing. Remember the leopards. You will see them on the quiz. Which one is the relative of the cat? Doesn't it look like a cat? Correct! Which one is the leopard with the cool spots? Leopards are good at climbing trees. Correct! Cats use their tongues to wash their bodies. This is called grooming. Cats keep their bodies clean by grooming many times a day. The cat's rugged tongue cleans its fur well. Just like we brush our hair using a comb, cats use their tongues to clean their fur and get rid of old fur. When a cat licks your hand, feel what it is like. Cats are good at jumping. They jump way beyond their height. Cats are able to land safely thanks to their flexible bodies and the thick pads on their feet. Cats are able to see well at night. Their pupils get bigger to see in the darkness. Their eyes glow when the light shines in them. Cats are so flexible that they are able to pass through very small places. Once they hide in a small place, no one can find them. Cats sleep a lot. Older cats sometimes sleep more than 15 hours a day. Cats are good at catching mice. People used to keep cats in the house just to catch mice. We can still see that part of the cat when they play with a knitting ball. They're really cute. What do the eyes of cats look like at night? Correct! Look, this is a common cat. It is called either a Korean or an American short-hair cat. There are many kinds of cats. Turn the page if you want to see a huge cat. Look, this cat has an interesting name, the Norwegian woodcat.
Meow.
Isn't it gigantic?
Don't be scared of me just because
Even though
I'm
they're
big.
big, they're
Aren't I
good
charming?
with people. And
Meow.
people love them.
I weigh 10 kilograms now.
Look, this is a Sphynx cat. Doesn't it look unique? Sphynx cats have no hair with many wrinkles. They might look a bit scary, but they are very mild.
It's cold. I need clothes.
Look, this is a Russian blue cat. It means a blue cat from Russia. It looks nimble and strong, but it's very shy. However, they love people very much. They are also well known for calming crying babies. I am afraid of the cold because I have little hair. Who am I? Let's try again. I am afraid of the cold because I have little hair. Who am I? Correct. Which one is the Norwegian woodcat that has a big body but is obedient? Correct. Cats are unique, but still lovable enough to be part of our family. Don't tease cats or give them something they can't eat. Instead, give them your love. Which one is the relative of the cat? Doesn't it look like a cat? Correct! Which one is the leopard with the cool spots? Leopards are good at climbing trees. Correct! I am afraid of the cold because I have little hair. Who am I? Correct! Which one is the Norwegian woodcat that has a big body but is obedient? Correct! What do the eyes of cats look like at night? Correct!